Back again with another F350 7.3 power stroke video, and I'm addressing an issue with no temperature. If you've seen my gauges in the previous videos, you see I have no oil pressure, no RPM, and no temperature. So basically what I'm going to do is inspect it. First thing you want to do is inspect your temperature sensor and plug-in itself. It's the simplest thing to do. So let's go down here. I got the one wire. Some people has a different plug depending on the year of the power stroke. So, oh god, that's tight. Let's look at it. Oh my, that is nothing but rust. That ain't no way it's making a contact. How's the sensor itself look? Okay, well this could be like one of the main issues on this truck. Is zoomed in too much. It's that sensor ain't making contact due to all the corrosion and rust. So I'm going to try to clean this plug-in with a wire brush that's pretty well just sticking on, run it back at your forge, and some sandpaper on that sensor. And then we'll try it again and see if it makes a connection. So I just put the other end of the wire in there, and I got a strip wire, and I'm going to run it across here to the ground and touch it. So I got somebody to test it out by touching it to the ground. They can go ahead and do that. Go ahead and touch it if you don't care. We got hot. Okay, you can unhook it. So 100% guys, that if we don't get a reading after we clean this, the switch is bad. I might go ahead and replace this pigtail too if I can find one. So let's go ahead and plug it in and see if it works now. But that's a quick way to test it. Temp hand has not moved at all. And it's been running for about 15 minutes. So I guess that means we're going to have to be pretty well installing a temp sensor. So the F350, as you can see, the temp hand ain't working. It does work when we ground it out, so it is not a wiring issue. The gauge is working the way it should, and it's getting a signal from the plug-in. So that leaves the sensor itself being bad. So there will be a video on that coming up, a new thermostat video. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave me a comment. Let me know if you got a 7.3 power stroke and your issues with it. And, you know, I might find it helpful myself, or somebody else might, in the comment sections below. To show your support for my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, check back every few days or every day, because I always upload a new video. See you next time. Thank you for watching.